In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads to promote your YouTube channel in 2025. This full guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can effectively leverage Google Ads to increase your channel's visibility and reach a wider audience. So let's get started. First things first, head over to Google Ads. If you're not familiar, Google Ads is a powerful platform that helps you reach potential viewers through highly targeted online advertising. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Signing in is a crucial step because it gives you access to all the tools and features Google Ads offers, from campaign creation to performance tracking. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home dashboard. Magic happens. You'll see an overview of your account and any active campaigns. From here, navigate to the Tools section. This is like your advertising toolkit. Clicking on Tools will present a variety of options, but the one we're focusing on is Data Manager. Here, you can analyze your data insights, which is vital for understanding how well your ads are performing. A data-driven approach ensures your advertising decisions are informed and effective. Next, head over to the YouTube section through the Data Manager. This is the junction where your YouTube channel meets Google Ads, allowing the two platforms to communicate seamlessly. Once there, link your Google Ads account to your YouTube channel. This step is pivotal because it enables you to create campaigns that specifically target YouTube viewers, which can lead to more views, engagement, and potentially new subscribers. With these steps completed, your Google Ads account is ready to promote your YouTube content. You can now craft tailored ad campaigns that connect with your target audience effectively. Continuously monitor and adjust your campaigns based on performance data from the Data Manager. Regular optimization ensures your advertising efforts remain relevant, efficient, and successful. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on using Google Ads to boost your YouTube channel's visibility. By following these steps, you'll build a strong foundation for growing your audience, increasing engagement, and expanding your reach. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy advertising.